Hey, Brian, you see that magazine cover right there? See who's on it?
Yeah, that's Jessica Alba.
Yeah, you want to know a secret, buddy?
What?
I would do her.
Really?
Oh, yeah. I just wanted you to know a little bit about who I am.
Thanks for the milk, Carl. What the hell? $400? My God, this is a bigger ripoff than Peter's Sounds of the Rainforest CD.
This'll help us fall asleep, Lois.
Let's get rid of all these trees. Once they're gone, this will be a great place to raise cheap beef. Up yours, Sting. Yeah. Hey, what's that song he does that I hate? Desert Rose. Yeah, that song sucks.